welcome back. So this week the weather's fined up a fair bit, so intents are to get over and have a look at where we left off on the XE and try and get that all sealed up in epoxy etch, so that way it's going to be nice and sealed up and ready to move on to the panel repair. So what I've got here though, we've brought home the left hand front fender so we can try and mirror image and base the front shape of the right hand front one off of what that one looks like, because that one, God knows what's under the paint, but it still sat good and the trim sat good, so we'll use that as our mock-up to try and make templates to fix that. And we've got the little Hathco roller and press brake there that we brought home, may or may not be of some use. And we picked up a couple of sandbags and some soft face. So yeah, we will be getting into that possibly tomorrow. I'll see how we go, or I might just be making some templates and stuff like that. But yeah, so we've got to get the shell of the XE all sealed up so it's all done, and then we can move on to the front fenders I've got to repair. There's a couple of little blemishes in some of the doors, but as a whole, the rest of that car is just getting the sketchy old humidity blistered paint off and going again from there with a good coat. The car was pretty darn straight, other than those couple of rust blisters in the roof from where the paint had worn through and stuff like that. So we'll get over there, have a look at the XE and come back to this mess soon. So see you soon. We'll get over there and go from there. Got the vehicle in bare metal from last time, and we're going to go through with 80 grit paper and 40 grit paper and key it all back to get the easy foss off and see if there's any blemishes anywhere. And we're also going to scuff all the existing paint up with 240 grit paper and dull it down, ready to get the coat on. Okay, so now I've hit 40 grit over the bare metal places and scuffed all the easy foss treatment off and inspected that. We're all good there. Now, also gone through with the 240 grit paper and some red Scotch-Brite and dulled down all the existing paint over the cowl and the door jambs. So the next step, we're going to get into the sills with the random orbit sander and get the black coat off the bottom of the sills and get it ready to clean up. Right, so now I've gotten the bottom of the sills all sanded back, and what we're doing now is going through and treating all the bare metal areas with Easy Foss, and then you give it a rinse down with fresh clean water and wipe it all down. It puts a nice coat over the bare metal so it won't flash rust, and if there is any rust there, it actually will, like little stone chips and stuff like that, wash the rust away and neutralise it. So really good stuff. So we're getting this done now. We'll dry it all down, leave it for tonight, come back in the morning, and we should be able to mask this thing up, hit it again with the DA and go from there. Well, good morning. So day 2, we're heading back over to do a bit more work on the XE. This morning we should be getting it all masked up and give a final rub down, ready to put some epoxy on it. And I just had to stop and grab the roll of filter foam for the fan and grab a coffee, and we're over. So hang around and we'll get over there and get this thing wrapped up.